Hey there, quiz lovers! Welcome to Tick Mania, where fun and brain-teasing challenges come to life. Today, we've got something exciting lined up for you. Guess the animal name with emojis. Here's how it works. We'll show you a combo of emojis that hint at an animal. Your job? Guess the animal name before the timer runs out. Think you've got what it takes to decode these emoji puzzles? Stick around and play along till the end. Let's see how many you can guess right. Ready? Let's jump in. Woof fire. This animal is often called man's best friend. And they come in all shapes and sizes. What's your guess? The answer is dog. This animal is known for its agility and love of naps. And it's often found purring or chasing after a laser pointer. The answer is cat. This animal is a vital source of milk, and you might recognize its distinctive moo. The answer is cow. This majestic animal is known for its speed and strength, and it's often seen in races or pulling carriages. The answer is horse. This animal is often associated with wool, and it's known for its flocking behavior. The answer is sheep. This animal is an early riser, and it's known for its loud crowing sound. The answer is rooster. This animal loves rolling in the mud, and it's often pink but can come in other colors too. The answer is pig. This bird is known for its honking call, and it's often found near water. The answer is goose. This bird loves to swim in ponds, and it's known for its quacking sound. The answer is duck. This small animal is often found in urban areas, and it's a highly adaptable scavenger. The answer is rat. We're 10 animals in. How's your score looking? Don't forget to count your correct answers and let us know in the comments below. Let's keep going. This tiny creature loves cheese, and it has big ears and a long tail. The answer is mouse. This is a popular small pet, and it loves running on wheels. The answer is hamster. This small furry animal is a popular pet, and it's known for its cute squeaks. The answer is guinea pig. This animal is known for its long ears, and it's famous for its ability to hop. The answer is rabbit. This playful animal is part of the weasel family, and it's long and slender. The answer is ferret. This snake warns with a rattle before striking, and it has venomous fangs. The answer is rattlesnake. This amphibian loves damp environments, and it can regenerate its tail. The answer is salamander. This animal has a hard shell for protection, and it's both aquatic and terrestrial. The answer is turtle. This amphibian is known for its leaping ability, and it's famous for its croaking sound. The answer is frog. This ocean predator is a top hunter, and it's featured in the movie Jaws. The answer is great white shark. Another 10 animals down. Are you keeping track? Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Let's see if you can guess the rest. This intelligent marine animal is known for its playful behavior, and it communicates with clicks and whistles. The answer is dolphin. This bird is often associated with Thanksgiving, and it's known for its gobbling sound. The answer is turkey. This aquatic mammal is known for its flippers, and it's often seen lounging on rocks or beaches. The answer is seal. This Arctic animal is known for its large tusks, and it has a thick mustache of whiskers. The answer is walrus. This nocturnal animal uses echolocation to navigate, and it's often associated with caves and Halloween. The answer is bat. This sea creature has a gelatinous body and tentacles, and some species can sting. The answer is jellyfish. This small animal is covered in spines, and it rolls into a ball for defense. The answer is hedgehog. This great ape is known for its strength and intelligence, and it's often found in dense forests. The answer is gorilla. This spiny marine creature lives on the ocean floor, and it's known for its round shape and hard shell. The answer is sea urchin. This bird is known for its pink feathers, and it often stands on one leg. The answer is flamingo. This bird is famous for its vibrant tail feathers, and it's often called a symbol of beauty. The answer is peacock. This large mammal loves honey, and it hibernates during winter. The answer is bear. This primate is one of the most intelligent animals, and it shares over 98% of DNA with humans. The answer is chimpanzee. This is the largest land animal, and it's known for its trunk. The answer is elephant. This animal has an incredibly long neck, and it's the tallest animal in the world. The answer is giraffe. This small mammal is known for its upright stance, and it lives in the deserts of Africa. The answer is meerkat. This big cat is known as the king of the jungle, and it has a majestic mane. The answer is lion. This striped predator is the largest big cat, and it's native to Asia. The answer is tiger. This spotted feline is known for its climbing skills, and it's one of the fastest predators in trees. The answer is leopard. This feline is the fastest land animal, and it's known for its black tear-like streaks on its face. The answer is cheetah. This marine mammal is also known as an orca, and it's a top predator in the ocean. The answer is killer whale. This reptile is often green and has a long tail, and it's known for its spiky appearance. The answer is iguana. This reptile can change its color to blend in, and it has eyes that move independently. The answer is chameleon. This marsupial is known for its powerful hind legs, and it carries its young in a pouch. The answer is kangaroo. This marsupial loves eucalyptus leaves, and it's often found sleeping in trees. The answer is koala. This sea creature has large claws, and it's considered a delicacy in seafood cuisine. The answer is lobster. This flat-bodied fish glides gracefully in the water, and some species have a venomous sting. The answer is ray. This unique mammal lays eggs, and it has a duck-like bill. The answer is platypus. We're 10 animals in. How's your score looking? Don't forget to count your correct answers and let us know in the comments below. Let's keep going. This bird can't fly but swims underwater, and it's often found in icy regions. The answer is penguin. This antelope is known for its annual migration, and it's often seen in herds on the African savanna. The answer is wildebeest. This bird is the largest in the world, and it can't fly but runs very fast. The answer is ostrich. This bird is native to Australia, and it's the second largest bird in the world. The answer is emojis. This animal is often used as a pack animal in South America, and it's known for its wool and sometimes spitting. The answer is llama. This reptile is a powerful swimmer, and it has a long snout and sharp teeth. The answer is crocodile. This reptile is often confused with a crocodile, and it's mostly found in freshwater environments. The answer is alligator. This is the largest animal on Earth, and it's a marine mammal known for its immense size. The answer is blue whale. This large animal spends most of its time in water, and it's known for its massive mouth and teeth. The answer is hippopotamus. This animal has thick skin and 1 or 2 horns, and it's often found in Africa and Asia. The answer is rhinoceros. This clever animal is often reddish in color, and it's known for its bushy tail. The answer is fox. This primate is native to Madagascar, and it's known for its large eyes and long tail. The answer is lemur. This carnivorous animal is known for its laugh-like call, and it often scavenges for food. The answer is hyena. This animal lives in packs, and it's known for its howling. The answer is wolf. This animal has antlers, and it's often found in forests. The answer is deer. This large deer is native to North America, and it's known for its bugling call during mating season. The answer is elk. This small animal lives in burrows, and it's often found in mountainous regions. The answer is marmot. This large mammal is native to North America, and it's often seen in herds grazing on plains. The answer is bison. This great ape is known for its long arms, and it's often found in rainforests. The answer is orangutan. This animal is known for its slow movement, and it spends most of its time hanging upside down in trees. The answer is sloth. This mammal has a hard, protective shell, and it can roll into a ball for defense. The answer is armadillo. This primate is known for its large snout, and it often travels in large troops. The answer is baboon. This small animal is known for its bushy tail, and it's often seen gathering nuts. The answer is squirrel. This animal is known for building dams, and it has large, sharp teeth for cutting wood. The answer is beaver. This aquatic mammal is known for using tools to open shells, and it often floats on its back. The answer is otter. This nocturnal animal is known for its masked face, and it's often found rummaging through trash. The answer is raccoon. This animal is known for its digging skills, and it has a distinctive white stripe on its head. The answer is badger. This small carnivore is known for its slender body, and it's a quick and agile hunter. The answer is weasel. This marsupial is known for playing dead when threatened, and it often scavenges for food at night. The answer is opossum. This rodent has incredibly soft fur, and it's native to South America. The answer is chinchilla. This spider is large and hairy, and it's often kept as an exotic pet. The answer is tarantula. This wild canine is often found in North America, and it's known for its howling. The answer is coyote. This wild cat has tufted ears, and it's often found in snowy regions. The answer is lynx. This bird is known for its ability to hover, and it feeds on nectar. The answer is hummingbird. This big cat is often black in color, and it's known for its stealth. The answer is panther. This is the largest living lizard, and it's native to Indonesia. The answer is Komodo dragon. This antelope has twisted horns, and it's adapted to desert life. The answer is addax. parrot is known for its crest of feathers, and it's native to Australia? The answer is cockatoo. This nocturnal animal feeds on ants and termites, and its name means earth pig. The answer is Oryctorope. This lemur has a long middle finger, and it's native to Madagascar. The answer is I. This rodent can glide between trees, and it has a membrane between its limbs. The answer is flying squirrel. This antelope is known for its agility and speed, and it's often seen in herds in Africa. The answer is impala. This amphibian is known for its ability to regenerate, and it's often called the Mexican walking fish. The answer is axolotl. This herbivore has a trunk-like snout, and it's found in South America and Asia. The answer is tapir. This wild dog is native to Australia, and it's often seen in the outback. The answer is dingo. This deep-sea fish produces its own light, and it's a key part of the oceanic food chain. The answer is lanternfish. This big cat is known for its powerful bite, and it's often found in rainforests. The answer is jaguar. This bird is flightless and nocturnal, and it's a national symbol of New Zealand. The answer is kiwi. This large mammal is found in mountainous regions, and it's known for its shaggy coat. The answer is yak. This animal has reddish-brown fur and a bushy tail, and it's native to the Himalayas and southwestern China. The answer is red panda. This bird is often associated with delivering babies in folklore, and it has long legs and a long beak. The answer is stork. This carnivorous marsupial is known for its fierce screeches, and it's native to Tasmania. The answer is Tasmanian devil. This monkey has a bright red face, and it's found in the Amazon rainforest. The answer is uakari. This sea creature has 8 arms and 2 tentacles, and it's known for squirting ink. The answer is squid. This small fox has large ears, and it's adapted to desert life. The answer is fennec fox. This bird is a symbol of the United States, and it has a white head and a yellow beak. The answer is bald eagle. This marine mammal has a long spiral tusk, and it's often called the unicorn of the sea. The answer is narwhal. This marine mammal is related to the manatee, and it's known for grazing on seagrass. The answer is dugong. This whale is known for its white color, and it's sometimes called the canary of the sea because of its vocal sounds. The answer is beluga whale. This ground squirrel is found in Africa, and it has a bushy tail used for shade. The answer is xeris. This marsupial has a cube-shaped poop, and it's native to Australia. The answer is wombat. This domesticated cattle has a hump on its back, and it's often found in tropical countries. The answer is zebu. This animal uses its long tongue to eat ants and termites, and it has no teeth. The answer is anteater. This mammal is covered in protective scales, and it rolls into a ball when threatened. The answer is pangolin. This small mammal lives in cold mountainous areas, and it's known for collecting hay for winter. The answer is pika. This wild dog is found in Asia, and it's known for its whistling calls. The answer is dole. This animal is a relative of the giraffe, and it has zebra-like stripes on its legs. The answer is okapi. This is the largest rodent in the world, and it's often found near water in South America. The answer is capybara. This wild goat has spiral-shaped horns, and it's found in mountainous regions of Asia. The answer is markhor. This carnivorous mammal is found in Madagascar, and it's a top predator of lemurs. The answer is fossa. This large flightless bird has a helmet-like crest, and it's native to the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea. The answer is cassowary. How many did you guess correctly? Share your score below and challenge your friends to beat it. Thanks for playing Guess the Animal in the Picture. See you next time.